This is the Xbox on a good day, when it's playing music. Bit fuck like, but it still works decent. There you go. Playing music. So, hope you're all good with the Xbox 360 and bits. So, it's flashed and it's working fine. It's just got a bit of a problem with the EMS channel on it, but that's alright. But it works fine. So, hope you're all good and healthy on YouTube with this tutorial. I'm making a tutorial how to flash your Xbox without using no flashing software or going out and buying money. So simple.